Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView for beginners on mobile. First, download the free TradingView app from your device's app store. Once installed, you can easily create a new account or log in if you already have one. Take a moment to explore the intuitive mobile interface. You will find the main navigation bar at the bottom, offering quick access to charts, watch lists, and more. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth trading journey. Now, let's dive into understanding charts, the heart of TradingView. To begin, simply use the search bar to find any financial asset you wish to analyze. You can easily switch between various chart types, like popular candlesticks or line charts, using the toolbar. Furthermore, adjust your time frame from as short as 1 minute to as long as 1 month, allowing you to observe market movements across different periods. This flexibility is key for comprehensive analysis. Enhancing your analysis involves using TradingView's powerful tools. You can easily add popular technical indicators, such as the Relative Strength Index or moving averages, directly onto your chart. The app also provides a robust set of drawing tools, including trend lines and Fibonacci retracements, to help you identify patterns. Don't forget to set price alerts. These will notify you instantly when an asset hits your desired level, ensuring you never miss a crucial market move. Finally, let's explore watch lists and the vibrant TradingView community. You can easily create personalized watch lists to keep a close eye on your favorite stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other assets. Dive into the Ideas section to discover thousands of trading insights shared by experienced traders. The platform also allows you to interact with others by commenting on ideas and participating in discussions, fostering a collaborative learning environment. This is a fantastic way to grow your trading knowledge.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.